In today's video, I'm going to teach you a comprehensive guide on using ClickUp to manage your tasks efficiently. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile project management tool that's designed to streamline your workflow. Today, we'll be exploring a simple yet powerful way to navigate its features, focusing on the calendar and task management views. To begin, open ClickUp and navigate to the All Folders section, where we'll be viewing the ClickUp Guider list. This is your central hub, giving you an overview of your different workspaces and projects. Think of it as your command center, from where you'll access various views and settings. Once you've accessed your lists, the next step is to click on Calendar. This intuitive feature helps you visualize your tasks and deadlines over time. Calendars are indispensable in managing project timelines, coordinating with team members, and ensuring everything stays on schedule. Now that you're in the calendar view, let's take a closer look by clicking on Month. This monthly overview is perfect for getting a snapshot of your task distribution throughout the period. Seeing the bigger picture helps in balancing workload and prioritizing tasks effectively. In the calendar view, you'll notice the option to switch the views. Let's focus on clicking D, which usually refers to daily. Switching to a daily view enables you to zoom in on your immediate tasks and deadlines. It provides the detail you need to ensure nothing slips through the cracks on a day-to-day basis. Up next is understanding the functionality of highlighting. Click the highlight feature that helps in identifying or marking specific tasks or days that require attention. This can be useful for color-coding priority items or flagging important deadlines. Remember, visual cues are fantastic aids in task management. Following that, you may want to revert to the Week view, which we will do by clicking on Week. Weekly planning is often preferred by many as it balances detail with foresight, providing enough scope to plan ahead without overwhelming you with too much information at once. With these views mastered, let's delve into marking significant dates by clicking on the specific day in the calendar. Clicking on a specific date, like 10, allows you to dig deeper into tasks scheduled for that day, providing clarity over your itinerary and necessary preparations. After selecting a date, once again apply the highlight feature. This will emphasize that particular day's tasks, differentiating them from the rest, and keeping them at the forefront of your attention. To make changes, simply type directly into the highlighted area. This allows you to add notes or reminders regarding your tasks and schedules. These annotations help keep everything organized and ensure that unique tasks don't get lost in the shuffle. Finally, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes take effect. This is a critical step to solidify your planning and avoid any loss of data. Saving updates will also facilitate seamless collaboration if you're working within a team. That's it for today. I hope this guide helps you navigate ClickUp's powerful calendar feature.